Okay, so you guys are just gonna have to bear with me with the face mask if my voice is muffled. We're at that lake that holds big smallmouth that I fished in the fall, and I caught like 11 like right off the bat. I found a school of them, but we're out here again. Water temp's like 46 degrees. We're fishing for about a 6-pound smallmouth. We know they're in here. I know 2 other boats that are here. I forgot my scale, so if we get on one, we're just gonna put it in the live well, shoot over, I'll give them a call, and then we'll go from there. So let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start off with a medium diving crankbait. Right here, it's a Ketchko one. And we're gonna hug this bank. I'm gonna apologize for the audio in advance, but we're gonna hug this bank and we're gonna face into the wind just so I can fight it the whole time and actually work everything slow. See if we pick out a few smallmouth. I just snapped. It is a fish. Huh? It's a fish. Sure? Yeah. That's freaking snagged, I thought. There we go.
You caught off the rock, didn't you?
First one. I got one right off the bat, and that was it. Any size too?
The smaller was 445. The other two was like a 2 pounder at one time. I just want to put one big smaller.
Yeah. They're drawing back out. This water's cooling down a lot.
Well, I thought they'd be up in the bushes, but I think they may move back in there later. But right now, I just came over here to get the ball out of the wind.
Yeah, that's weird at the breast. I'm like, oh, we're going over here.
Yeah, you go into that wind, man.
Yeah, that one I caught was like 15 feet. It's not super deep, but I was still expecting them to kind of be up shallow, hugging these rocks and that, but that's not the case. Let's do this first. We're gonna go shoot across to that first point, straight across where we were with Shane, where he was right at the very end. Since the wind's blowing like that, we'll fight the wind and then we'll go down after that. Yeah, I do. It's a nice one, Cole. I think it is. Oh, it came off. I don't know how big it was. I couldn't see. I couldn't freaking feel nothing. It looked like it was like 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. I seen it splash. It was right up under that. I just threw there. I know it blew my Ned rig up in there. There's one. Nice one. That it. Yeah. There we go. Swallowed it. Sucker's a football.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, there we go. You got your phone?
Yeah.
Real quick. Just hold on to the trolling motor, just take a quick one. Let him go. In there somewhere, I think. I'm losing my balance.
Oh, no, there's a
Get out, you gotta turn it right.
I'm trying.
It's hard, I know. It sucks, but there's a nice one.
Well, I can't get it. No.
I'll do it. Big one. Hit me in the neck. Got him. Yep. Woo!
I think the other one was bigger.
I don't know. Think you could get another picture? Yeah, I can get one. All right, there's my brother's. He just caught one.
Oh, gosh.
Ready? Yep. Come on. All right, there you go.
Good?
Yep.
You got the reach limit now. Just right up.
Good.
Is that for them guys or is that?
Nah, it's a different guy, that other guy. Alright, well, we're heading off the lake. Left a little bit earlier than I would have liked. It was an alright day for how windy it got. There's still some people out there that we know, but we're heading off. My trolling motor's not strong enough. It's only a 42-pound thrust, so I got to get a new one of them. But fishing's definitely picking up. We're supposed to get 50, 60 degree weather for the next like 2 to 3 days, so that should start to warm the water up. Hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.